Hi, my name is Nathan Hedberg. I am from Forney, Texas, and I'm at PDR school, and I'm loving it. Loving it. What I did before was played some college baseball, realized college wasn't for me. Loved playing baseball though, but college I just can't sit in a desk, and then went to welding school, but PDR school is where my heart is just at right now, and I'm loving it. Every second of it. I mean, the people here are genuine. They just really want to help you. They don't want you to just think like, hey, here you go, do it. Just do what I said. They'll show you how to do it, and I love it. I found dinking over the internet. I was on Google, and I just was trying to look up other trades to get into, and this guy, it was crazy because I was looking into it, and this guy, he cleaned a dent for me, and I asked him, how'd you do this? And he said he went to a school in Idaho. I can't remember what it was called, but he was going to teach me. And then I realized, okay, he was going to teach me. I was going to have to pay him, but then have to buy my own equipment. And then I just found this was a greater idea. I'll have someone professionally teach me. And I'm just so happy I've come here. I mean, every day, I'm learning something new because it's all new to me, honestly. So just thankful. Yeah, right now we're gonna do mobily, but Texas, it gets really hot in the summers, so especially the summers. But a new idea that we're gonna do is we're gonna go into the garage and just have people drive up, or we can go pick them up, their vehicle, and just bring it over to our house. A lot cooler than sitting outside in the steaming hot, humid weather. So right now we're gonna work out of the garage. First day, they taught me how to do it, but it was just all new to me, so it was just a little weird at first. But then at the end of the day, I realized I got better. I got a little quicker, and these are simple little dents that they put me on at first. But then now, I'm doing more difficult dents, and this is only my second day of my second week. So it's pretty, feels rewarding when you see the dent that you just finished. Thank you, dinking. Yep.